tour was super insightful and informative. We could have not covered things in this detail through self-exploration. The multiple snacks breaks kept things light and breezy even though we were walking for hours. Props to the tour guide Khalid for the amazing experience. I had an excellent experience on the Muharraq walking tour, especially with our guide Khalid, who was knowledgeable, engaging, and very welcoming. The tour was very well organized and offered a rich insight into the history and cultural heritage of Muharraq. The Muharraq nights, during the festive month of December, are truly unmissable. They beautifully showcase the glorious era of pearl diving and bring to life an important and fascinating chapter of Bahrain's history. I highly recommend this tour to anyone who wishes to experience the soul of Bahrain through its culture, history, and traditions. We had a fantastic experience exploring with Khalid. The walking tour was the perfect blend of culture, history, and local flavor. Khalid shared fascinating insights into the country's traditions and key figures, and I especially enjoyed learning about the pearling industry, which is such an important part of Bahrain's heritage. A real highlight was getting to try authentic Bahraini coffee, tea, dates, and local snacks along the way. Khalid is knowledgeable, friendly, and clearly passionate about what he does. I highly recommend this tour. This was an awesome walking tour. Learned a lot about the culture and the community. Khalid was great. Took his time explaining and was very knowledgeable. We stopped for tea, Arabic coffee and dates which are wonderful. Make sure to wear your walking shoes and takes plenty of photos. It is cash only, so be prepared. There is a bank along the route if you forget. It was a beautiful evening tour through the old town. Khalid is a great tour guide, very knowledgeable and friendly. I did the walking tour with Khalid on my first day in Bahrain and it was a wonderful experience. He opened many doors and showed us many of Bahrain's historical sites. His kind and friendly way of explaining made the whole tour most enjoyable. I would recommend this tour to anyone who's interested in the rich history of this nation. We had a wonderful tour with Khalid. He was so kind and accommodating with our preferences, and showed us a very unique side of Bahrain. He explained the pearling path and we visited some beautiful cultural houses. We loved this authentic experience and we will do it again. Had an amazing time with our tour guide Khalid. He was super knowledgeable and made exploring the historical spots of Bahrain and its rich pearl heritage truly unforgettable. And also we met a lot of nice people during the tour which made it more fun. I highly recommend. More like a 10/10 experience.